What's going on, guys? Nate's Auto DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace an engine air filter on a 2007 Pontiac Vibe. So as you see under the hood, this is your air intake filter. So all you have to do, there's two clips, push it back like this and pull it up like that. Pull out the engine air filter. This one's pretty dirty, as you can see. Don't know when the last time it's been replaced. Put that aside, grab your new air filter. So a thing a lot of people don't notice on filters is that there's a kind of a triangular part of it on the corner here. And there is a little indent on the filter. As you can see right here, it's a little triangular section while the others are rounded. So you have to match those together. I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. Alright, so as you see, it went straight in there and it lines up. So remember that the triangular part has to match up with the other side. So now you gotta do is just push it in towards the back to where it locks in place, and then clip them back onto this, and engine air filter is installed. So that's how you replace your engine air filter. If you want to know more, please like the video, subscribe if you aren't already for more DIY tips, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.